You drink one, drink two, drink three Long Island iced teas, but your buddy's worse off and he throws you his car keys. Blue lights are blinking 4 o'clock in the morning. State trooper makes you wish that you'd never been born. Better call Saul, better call Saul. You wanna tell the world you're in love with a girl named Fran, so you find an overpass and you say it with a spray paint can. Blue lights start a-blinking, those handcuffs click. You know who to call and you better call quick. Saul, Saul, you better call Saul. He'll fight for your rights when your back's to the wall. Stick it to the man, justice for all. You better call Saul. Shopping at the Walmart, short just a couple of beans. There's a George Foreman grill down the back of your blue jeans. They caught you at the checkout, the blue lights blink. Only one got a call, cause the others all stink. Better call Saul, better call Saul, better call Saul. Your husband disappeared in a most convenient way. Now your troubles are gone, his insurance will surely pay. You get to the bank, but the cops say, whoa, who you gonna dial when they lock you down cold? Saul, Saul, you better call Saul. He'll fight for your rights when your back's to the wall. Stick it to the man, justice for all. You heard me, you better call Saul. Customers are gone and your store is on the rocks. Spread around the gas cause it's time to torch the stock. But you gotta move quick before you singe your own hair. Who knew there was a homeless guy sleeping in there? Better call Saul, better call Saul, better call Saul. The FBI finds kids trapped in your creepy van. You stay real cool and tell them you're the ice cream man. But all that crying just gave you away. Who you gonna call to skip a prison stay? Saul, Saul, you better call Saul. To fight for your rights when your back's to the wall. Stick it to the man, justice for all. You better call Saul.
Here come the ducks, hit the high baller. Shut up the dog, stare at the water. I'll say when, hold on, y'all wait. Get 'em boys, boom, 12 gauge. Out in the mud down in Mississippi. A mallard duck, yeah, that's what gets me. Shooting this steel cause I can't shoot lead. But I don't miss, I just knock them in the head. In the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck blind. I remember now when I was 14. The little wood duck hole, my friends and me. They were whistling Dixie coming through the trees. 12 gauge sound like a M16. In the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck blind, in the duck blind. Well, come this fall, I'm gonna tune up my cars, pack up my boat, feet sticking up, I'll make a mallard duck float. In the duck line, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Robo duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck line, in the duck line. Boom. Dead.
One time at band camp, I we're out here hunting on the Big Reelfoot Lake with our guide here.
Okay. That's all we got for you.
We killed what, 25 today?
25 minus 23.
Yeah. Right.
We killed 25, picked up 2.
Not bad. 25.
You know, the rest of them were junk ducks. We didn't really want them.
Right.
Should have killed a hunter.
Should have killed a hunter, but he can't hit nothing.
Now, you know, he's
He had Ruel. I can't say it now.
Well, that was so good, man.
you were getting so good at
What
it.
was that? Ruel.
And you
Raul.
saw the video.
Raul.
Raul.
Let's go get sea bass, man. What do you say?
Yeah, we need to go back and see sea bass.
No, hell, Sonny, you know how bars are around here. You can't get a damn deer around here.
Hey, but it will be better next year.
Oh, hell. Now I'm feeling some deja vu.
I'm gonna call Craig. If he ain't killing no ducks, y'all just gonna stay home.
We're going to Argentina.
Argentina.
We're going to kill some damn ducks down there.
I gotta go to New York, and then I gotta go to Argentina.
What else you got to do? You can forget New York. We're going to go to Argentina and kill some damn ducks.
Maybe I want to go to New York. I want to see the sights.
Yeah, we can go up there and kill coons.
Fine.
Why don't y'all shoot them geese up there?
When I'm in Argentina, you can have my place.
Canadian tree huggers won't allow that.